Okay, so here we are filling in our notes, 11-.6. All right, we're going to start out with number 1. If the scores of 18, 20, 25, 11, and x have a mean means average, what is the value of x? All right, so if it's telling us the average is 19, all right, I set it equal to 19. Remember, this is a ghost one, any whole number we have, so we can simply cross multiply these guys and get our answer. So 5 times 19 equals 95. All right, and when I add 1, 2, 3, 4 together, I should get 74. So 74 plus x, and I forget this orange is not great, is it, Sam?
Yeah.
Is 95. So what am I going to do? Subtract 74 from both sides, and x is 21 for example number 1. Okay, does it make sense? Of course it does. That number will keep it at 19. 21 is the correct answer. Okay, number 2, we're not going to do all of them, and we are not going to do the back. Might change my mind next week for weighted averages, but for right now, we're just going to focus on this. Now, number 2, the first question is really easy, because all they want to know is the mean score. The mean teacher gives you your average. If we were in school, we'd make a big deal about these symbols. That means average, this X with a line over the top of it. So the first part is easy. We're just going to add these guys together. Gets 531 and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing new there. So our average comes out as 88.5. Now, the 7th exam, okay, is question mark. If we don't know what it is, that's X. We want to get a 90, and this is kind of the example I gave you regarding our own average. So how am I going to set this up? It's going to be set equal to 90, and I'm going to add these guys together. Didn't we already do that? Yes, we did. So 531 plus X, and the biggest mistake we make is a lot of students will write a 6 instead of a 7. All right, so please be careful with that in your setup. Now, what do you do to solve? Cross multiply. So who are you going to cross multiply? 7. Remember our ghost one again. 7 times 90 is 630. And then we just copy. 531 plus x equals 630. So now we're just going to subtract this guy. Okay, and x is 99. All right, so that is our notes. That will help you for your homework. The homework is titled Missing Number, okay, but this is 11-6, and my answer key I made for you. I suggest just do the odds, all right, don't kill yourself. Some of you are working really hard. Sam, can you get the top for me, please?
Yeah.
11-6 homework, odd only. Now, I gave you number 1, and you should probably do a separate sheet of paper because this is kind of tight, all right, but you add together the numbers. I just copied off of number 1. And we need to divide it by how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, here's our cross multiply. So they're telling you the average in this case. All right, so we didn't have to find the average. The average is right there. So number 1's first answer is 81, and that is all the work. So you probably need a separate sheet of paper. Okay? There are shortcuts to do it, but I suggest not to do it with banging your calculator. Do it teacher way, and it'll come out nice and neat. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay, have a sugar fine day. Thanks for checking in. Keep the faith, everybody. Bye.